When a modern passenger jet lifts off the runway, it carries passengers, cargo, and fuel. But if you peel back the physical aluminum and steel, you reveal a massive, invisible slipstream of continuous data. Every single second of that climb is governed by thousands of overlapping signals. Live weather layers, rolling radar sweeps, IoT sensors inside the engines, and relentless communication pings from air traffic control. Airplanes no longer navigate the skies by mechanics and human sight alone. They are propelled, guided, and kept secure by this continuous, high-stakes digital network. All that information introduces a critical vulnerability. Raw data is useless and actively dangerous if the person interpreting it doesn't understand the physical reality it represents. A standard software engineer knows how to build a flawless database, but might not understand flight physics or aviation law. A traditional pilot knows exactly how to read a storm front, but cannot architect the machine learning pipeline needed to predict it. This chart outlines the academic identity of the Aviation Information Systems program, deliberately designed to close that gap. Notice how core computer science and AI modules sit directly alongside principles of flight, meteorology, and air navigation. Solving the bottlenecks of modern aviation requires a professional who operates comfortably in both domains, someone who fluently speaks the language of code and the language of flight. Consider a routine commercial flight. Deep inside the aircraft's engine, a turbine sensor registers a subtle temperature fluctuation. To a standard monitoring system, it might look like momentary static. An Aviation Information Systems graduate approaches this using foundational computer science. They write the Python scripts and execute the SQL queries required to capture, clean, and isolate this specific reading from millions of background data points. Then they apply their domain expertise. They translate the raw numbers into spatial aviation metrics, referencing meteorology, air law, and physical aircraft performance to understand exactly what that heat spike means at cruising altitude. By feeding this verified anomaly into the airport's digital twin, a live virtual replica of the physical environment, they can model the downstream impact. A single engine warning suddenly informs maintenance schedules, runway routing, and crew logistics before the plane even lands. To this expert, a digit on a screen is never abstract. It is a physical event demanding a precise operational response. This rigorous translation is critical when implementing artificial intelligence. Feeding an algorithm unverified, biased, or incomplete flight data guarantees catastrophic predictive failures. This framework illustrates the approach to trusted AI. Before making a prediction, they engineer a strict pipeline, exhaustive data validation, bias detection, and quality checks. In Stage 4, applying aviation context ensures the AI obeys strict safety regulations. This prevents the algorithm from suggesting a mathematically optimal, yet operationally illegal flight path. The resulting output is presented to the operations center. It does not replace the human operator. It acts as a heavily vetted tool that clarifies the safest path forward. Intelligent systems demand a human architect willing to take ultimate responsibility for the data's integrity. Zooming out from a single flight decision, we can see where a professional with these hybrid skills fits into the broader global industry. This career map shows direct integration into physical infrastructure. Graduates deploy into airport IT, managing IoT networks, and work as aviation data analysts, optimizing turnaround times. They also defend digital infrastructure, securing flight networks through Cybersecurity-by-Design, and engineering cloud platforms, keeping aviation synchronized. These graduates function as the primary digital architects, engineering the connectivity and resilience required for a modern aviation ecosystem. But simply enrolling in this program does not guarantee a seat at the table. Earning these responsibilities requires intense personal discipline. It means building a technical portfolio, mastering complex software, and navigating the deep friction between strict algorithmic logic and unyielding aviation law. For those willing to put in the work, reading the digital pulse of an aircraft ultimately propels the physical reality of flight. رؤية تقنية تحول البيانات إلى قرارات حاسمة وترسم ملامح مستقبل الطيران الذكي.